Okay, first thing you want to do when you've opened up Fusion is save this document. Make sure it's saved with your name and your money box. It is on cloud based, so everything will save automatically. First thing you want to do is whenever you draw something, you want to create a sketch. Now notice there are 3 planes or 3 axes, so X, Y, and Z. Okay, they're represented here on the cube that you can see. If you click in different areas of this cube, you can see where the axes are represented. If you click on front, you'll be able to look at the front view. Click on the top right corner, you can see from the top right corner. If you click from the top, you can see from the top. And if you click home, you can go back home to a standard point of view. You always want to start with a sketch. So if I want to draw a sketch, I'm going to choose a plane. I'm going to select my top plane, which is this area here. Try not to be confused with the front or the left or right plane. Click the top. It'll bring this face towards you. I'm going to draw my rectangle. Another command for a rectangle, if you hover over it, it will tell you R. So if I hit that button, or I hit R on my keyboard, I can start in the front corner. And I know my piece is 140, so I'm just typing 140, hitting Tab to switch to the other dimension, then typing in 200, and then hitting Enter, and I have my piece. If I zoom out, hold my scroll button down, I can move my piece around. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to view it from home. There's my drawing. Next thing I'm going to do is I want to extrude my piece. Once I click extrude and I click the profile, this is a list of what you need to do. Profile, so it's selected it already. I'll show you how that works. If I deselect it, then click the profile. It's starting from there. We want a new body, that's fine. We're going to type in this box here, 40 millimeters. And there we have our box, okay? Next thing we want to do is we want to create a sketch on top of our drawing. We know that we have a circle almost directly in the middle. If we click the circle tool, which is just up here, or hit C, and move our mouse around the center, we'll end up with these little triangles, same as for the side. So if we roughly align the center with the center, we get our center point. And we know that our circle is, I believe it's 75 millimeters. If it's not 75 millimeters, and if it's different for yours, you can change it by simply going in and adjusting it. Just double click on the dimension and you can change that dimension. Actually, from memory, I think it's 90. Sorry, my apologies. Okay, once I've drawn my circle, next thing I'm going to do is view it from home. And I actually want to remove this circle. So I'm going to hit extrude, click the circle that I want. Now I actually want to cut this out. So I'm going to drag it down, all the way down, and hit enter. And I have my circle through the center of my money box. Next thing I'm going to do is create another sketch on top of my drawing, and I'm going to draw a bit of a shape, okay? You can use a line tool, which does something like a bit of a straight line along here. So you could do a straight line and another line and another line, click, 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 up to you what you'd like to do. Maybe make it go out a bit. Now remember, this is just all random shapes, and link it back together. So if that's my shape, as unusual as it is, and I'm done, I'm going to click Finish Sketch. Next thing I want to do is I want to remove the area around the outside. So if I view that from home, and I click on this area I want to remove, click Extrude, and just drag this blue slider straight down, it will remove the area, and I should have my money box of that shape. Now, I'm just going to undo those steps because I don't actually want those lines. I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to draw with a spline tool. So if I have, for example, a normal line and I have a shape that goes like this, but then I want to say automatically when I finish a line it has another one there. All you need to do is hit enter to confirm it, or when you're finished, press escape. If I click my spline tool and I click on my starting point, and I specify a second point, I can then use my mouse without clicking to curve this line, okay? Now you can adjust these later, so if it wanted to be a bit of a curved shape, whatever this may be for you, you can adjust this as can be. So let's just say we're going to go like so. That's going to be our line. Now if there's a line I don't want, I'm going to go up here to my trim tool, click trim, and delete the line I don't want. Finish my sketch, go view from home, go to my extrude, click the area I don't want, and drag it down to remove it. And there I have my money box shape. Now you can toggle the cycle component color to make it grey if you'd like, up to you. You can actually adjust the appearance later, But as for now, I'm going to let you guys experiment with what to do with your lines, okay? Again, a sketch, a drawing, extrude, and then remove. Hope this helps.